Hey friends, if you wish to know when Windows 10 came out, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. So it came out for retail users on 29 July 2015 and for manufacturing units on 15th of July 2015. So the reason people are asking this question is because its support is ending very soon and they wish to know how long it has been till this has been supported. So since the support will be ending in October, you need to know that it is more than 10 years since Windows 10 was supported, and you have an option of upgrading to Windows 11 for free. This is why it was always a good deal with Windows 10. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.